Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel uniquestudy.com. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter The Fighter. Okay, and this chapter has been written by the writer uh, Ramendra Kumar. So I think this chapter is very important for you. Why? Because you are young one and you always playing with your friends in the games. There are many games. So here's the one thing is very important for you that the spirit, team spirit. Okay, team spirit is important in any games. Okay, and it is the inspired you to play for the whole members in the team. Okay, so let's start the video and know more thing about the chapters. The team spirit is important in any game, and here we come across young cricketers who plays enthusiastically for his team. Okay, so first you know about that. Here the team spirit. Okay, team spirit is important for any game. If you have no any game spirit or team spirit, then you cannot play well for your team. Okay, and if you have a team spirit, then all the members for the playing the game and won the match. Okay, so here is the young one, young cricketers, and he plays with the great enthusiasm. Okay, with the uh, brave. Okay, for his team, and he has the question: does he uh, his team win? So it is the question. When you read the whole story, then you know how the that cricketer, it means the young cricketer, play in the game and won the team of his cricket team. Okay, so here is the some words that is very important for you that used in the story, like a pitch, crease, opener, pace attack, a chasing, all rounder, long on. Okay, so this is very important. So student who know what these terms means can explain to the class. Okay, so it is the very important, and you know here is the make a pitch, crease, and note some fielding position as a cricket ground, just like that. Here's the umpire. Okay, here you can see here. Here is the umpire and non-striker bowler is here who balled, and here is the striker. Okay, non-striker and striker both are the opposite game person who taking the bats. And here is the wicket keeper, sleeper, gully, point, cover, and square leg. Okay, and one umpire is here, and mid off and mid on. That's clear. So here is the two teams, and both teams name is you can see on the mobile screen. NPS, it is the first team, and second team is VSH. Okay, and both are the team to play the cricket for the win. So here's the meeting of the one team, and that team name is NPS. Okay, so here the I think the idea I I think the idea is great, said Rahul, and I think it is dumb, snapped Imran. It means here is the conversation to the two person. One person is Rahul, and second person is Imran. Okay, and Imran is the captain of NPS junior cricket team. Okay, and he is the captain, and here is the one thing suggest by the Rahul, and the Imran tell that it is not good idea, it is the silly idea. Okay, okay. Rahul felt anger slowly rising up, but he controlled himself. Okay, after the statement of Imran, when he neglect the statement or the idea of the Rahul, the Rahul felt anger slowly rising. Okay, after the hearing the statement of Imran, the Rahul rising up, but he control his anger. Okay, he control his anger. The meeting of NPS junior cricket team was in progress. Okay, and the a meeting will held. And in progress, the final match of the inter-school junior cricket tournament for the Regal Trophy was to be played the next day at the NPS ground. Okay, and the cricket that held on the both team like a NPS and VH, and it is the tournament of the inter school junior, okay, junior cricket tournament for the Regal Trophy. Okay, the winner team get the Regal Trophy, and it also played in the next day with the NPS ground. Okay, it is same ground, that is the name of cricket team, and the name of the ground field. And the NPS would be facing the VHS in the final. Okay, and it is the final match in both of the team. It means VHS and NPS. Okay, now next, Imran was the captain of the NPS team, and you can see here. Here is the Imran was the captain of NPS team, and he and the coach MS Reddy had called the team members to finalize a strategy. Okay, for the next day's match. Okay, here is the Captain Imran, and the coach of the cricket team is MS Reddy. Both are the called all the team members, okay, to finalize and make a plan. Okay, strategy means make a plan for the next match. Okay, and Imran and Rahul were having an argument over who should open the innings. Rahul wanted their regular opener Grage to win, to go two down. Okay, so here is the two person Imran and Rahul both are the arguing to each other, and the Rahul wanted to send the in open inning, and the first time as a that always sent by the person or a captain, that was the Grage. Okay, but Imran did not accept his proposal, and in VHS has the best pick attacked in the city. Both Krishna and Manjeet are very quick and accurate, and Imran wanted to send the Krishna and the Manjeet both person. Okay, George is our best batsman. We can't take the risk of the sending him to open the inning. Okay, and Imran says that here is the in oppositions there are two bowler is very very quick and accurate persons that that get the wicket. Okay, so Imran did not want to take this type of the risk, so he did not send to the Grage. Okay, and he says to the Rahul that Grage is our best man. Okay, we can't take the risk of the sending him to open the inning. God forbid. Okay, and he also said that it is God is always do everything, but he is not at that situation he cannot take such type of the decision. Okay, and he cannot stop him to say stop the Grage. Okay, Imran, the VHS has the best pick attack in the city. Both Krishna and Manjeet are very okay, so it's clear. So if he gets up cheap, means he scored only a few runs. Okay, then we are doomed, Rahul said apprehensively. Apprehensively means anxious. It means he became worried. Okay, he wanted to say that in the starting of the match, if we cannot send the Grage to open the opening match, so we cannot collect the more score. Okay, more runs. But Imran did not take the risk to send his best players. So here the Rahul became very worried about the listening statement of the Imran. Come on, Rahul, Grage will make minishment of those two clowns. Okay, minishment means easily defeat. Okay, So here is the Imran says that to the Rahul, it is very Grage also defeat to the both of the bowlers, that was the Manjeet and Manjeet and Krishna. Okay, so Imran says was firm. It means her decision is confirmed. So I have decided Grage will open, and that is final. Okay, and now come up with some better ideas on how to tackle the oppositions. And here is the in the final the Imran said that he he will send the George, and this decision is final. So come up with the some better ideas and how to tackle the opposition. Okay, and he suggested to Rahul, and if you have better idea to it, then you tell me. Okay, and it is not a uh, arguing time. Okay, I think my idea of the sending Grage 2 down was great, insisted Rahul, and I still think it was dumb. Imran wised. Okay, so here is the Rahul stated again. Okay, and he said that I think my idea of the sending Grage 2 down was great. Okay, he when Rahul said that the send the Grage after the 2 down, it means after the 2 wicket, send the Grage, but it is the best idea, but the Imran say that I still think it was dumb. Okay, it was silly. It is the silly idea to send the Grage after the 2 wicket. Seeing the tension in the air, Badal, the wicketkeeper, said, "What about the toss? In case we win, should we bat or field?" Okay, and when the air means environment. Okay, environment of the meeting became very hot. It means tensionful. Then the Badal is the wicketkeeper of the team. He said that what about the toss? Okay, it means what will be the toss when we won the toss in the starting, and what we should batting or fielding. Okay, so here the Imran said that I feel we should field. That was Imran. Okay, Imran says that we take the fielding. No, I don't think you are right, and said Rahul. We are not very good at chasing. I feel we should bat first, try to put up a good score, and then attempt to bowl them out. Okay, but here is the Rahul suggested to everyone, and saying that after the statement of Imran that it is the not good idea. In the first we have to take the batting, and when we take the batting, then we make a good score, and when we make a good score, then it is very benefit for us. Why? Because we if we chasing the score of the opposite, then we cannot good in good, and it is very disadvantage. We take the disadvantage in advantage to chasing the score of the team. Okay, so you are very defensive, Rahul, Imran said with the smirk. Okay, smirk means unpleasant, and Imran says that you are more tensionful and you worried about the team, and it is not good. And if I win the toss, I will put them in. I love chasing. Okay, put them in, let them bat first. And after the statement of Rahul, the Imran said that it is if we won the toss, then I say I we will take the batting, and it is our last decision. And but here is the Rahul protested that, but everyone said that, it means here is the no buts, don't forget Rahul, I am captain. But in the last, the Imran says to Rahul that he he is the captain of the team, so his decision is important for everyone. So it is the final of the Imran decision. And captain, and you are the 12th man, and he also uh, insult of the Rahul that he is the 12th player of the team, and it is not important your statement or your argue. Okay, so Imran taunted him. Taunted means mocked means like a making a fun. uh, Rahul's face turned red and he walked out of the room. The next day, Srinivas, the best all-rounder of the team, did not report. Okay, and in the next game when the match will start, the best player, that is the all-rounder, has not came. Okay, so when he not came, they didn't report. He had sprained his ankle and was out of the action. Okay, he sprained his ankle, it means he getting pain with the ankles, and he did not join the game. So Rahul, also an all-rounder, was the automatically replacement in place of the all-rounder Srinivas. Okay, and James, the rival captain. James is the opposition's captain, and won the toss and elected to the field, and he also elected to the fielding. And here is the statement of the Rahul became the true of. Why? Because the captain of the opposition will take the field, and Rahul wanted to in the beginning batting. So it is very important. So I think it is enough for you. We will meet in the next day. So thank you for the watching video.